Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Collectibles for Resale. And I have a weekly unboxing of some jewelry from the Bluebox, the Goodwill Bluebox. That gets released weekly on Fridays. So I'm going to go ahead. I started just opening one side. I haven't opened it all the way. Just got to make sure I don't have my info on there. So, let's see. All right. There is our first impression. No invoice, I don't think. Doesn't look like. No. So this one is from, let's see, Miami. This is from Dayton, Ohio. Okay, so it said Goodwill Easter Seals, Miami Valley, Dayton, Ohio. All right, so last week I believe it was from Florida. This is going to be from Dayton, Ohio. So I'm going to take a quick looky-loo, and we do have a nice little tangled mess. And I'm trying to keep these videos shorter, you know, between 15, 20 minutes if I can. So part of that is just kind of doing the untangling on my own and then coming back. So I just wanted to see. Sometimes it comes like not very tangled, and sometimes it comes like a mess. I've noticed when it's bagged, it seems like it's a little bit better from the different ones I've gotten, but this has got quite a few tangles. So I'm going to pause it. It'll be just a second for you, and then when we come back, I will have piles separated and the different types of jewelry. I'll have necklaces, bracelets, etc. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, start looking into this untangling, and we will be back shortly. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm back. For you, it's just been a second. For me, it's been way too long. Not a great box. I'm not really happy with this. I'm not even sure if I'm going to order one tomorrow. I've been slowly getting less good boxes every time. They started off pretty decent. I don't know what's going on. I guess it's just depends on the factors. Where you get lucky, you might get some good pieces, but this was way more junk than salvageable. So I've got like a big lot of stuff going to a crafter's lot. I don't even think it's, I mean, I'm sure I could scrounge the price of the box up out of these things, but this is like a lot of work for just a little bit of payoff. So it is a gamble always, and I know that. So, you know, I take that with a grain of salt. I understand that. But I do feel like they've put a lot more junk and things that's just trash. So, I mean, look at my gloves. This is just, I haven't moved from here. I've just been doing this, and look how filthy they are. This was just on the pieces. That's all I did was handle the pieces. So it just grosses me out with, ugh. So anyhow, I don't want to be on here complaining, you know. That's what I signed up for. I bought the box, so I get what I get, and that's the best I can, you know, ask for. So this is going to be a quicker one. I'm only going to show the pieces that are possibly sellable. I mean, most of them have like a lot of rust or just discoloration. This one looks okay, but it's hard with the lighting. It's just a long link chain. Put that there. Lots of untangling. God, so many things are tangling. This is just like another little inexpensive silver tone link chain. Different designs, different lengths. This one is on a heavy metal, like silver type chain. I like this pendant. This is a nice, you know, looks like Native American type style, in the style of, but I don't think it's anything special. And then on here it says, oh, Daisy Fuentes. Yeah, I'm sure it's not worth too much. I know they sell clothes at Kohl's, but I'm sure jewelry isn't, you know, super expensive. This one is just like a fun, you know, it looks like a mod piece from like the 60s or something. So like a retro looking piece. I like this pendant design. So possibly a couple bucks for that. This one has all kinds of hanging things. I thought it was a brain at first. Silly me. This is some kind of like floral design. It's got all kinds of cool pendants hanging off. And looking at the maker, it does have a maker's mark, but I couldn't read it. I'm gonna have to get my loop and take a better look at it. But sorry about the nasty gloves. I don't want to ruin another pair. So that's the maker's mark. I'm not sure, but I think that's kind of cool. It's interesting. In my last box, I got several pieces of glass jewelry, pendants. And so this looks very similar to one of the pieces I got last time. It's just on a black cord, multi-string layer cord. But I do like this pendant. Like I said, it's a glass piece. This one is one of the tri-strands that hangs. And it's got these little alternating black and, I guess, white colored stones. There we go. Yep. Got a couple of, I'm sure they're faux pearl. Gotta do research on, I mean, you can just tell they're not like super high quality, but gotta watch my Dr. Jewelry so I can find out something, because like these don't seem as cheaply made. They've got a good weight to them. I'm using the gloves so I can't really feel how they feel, but they have a nice clasp. So, I mean, I don't know if those are worth anything or not, but that's like the stuff I need to kind of learn. Got this little gold tone slim necklace with this, I hate even looking at my glove, sorry. This pendant. So, there's this silver chain with a little clock on it, watch. This is interesting. It looks kind of 80s, but then it's got this really cool modern like tie where it's like magnetic. It just clips and unclips. I kind of like that. It's interesting. A little triangular with peach colored little triangles. Let's see. I like this piece. Again, like looks in the style of Native American, but I'm sure that it's not. It doesn't feel like super good quality, expensive, but it feels nice. It's not super cheap either, so it's got like coral colored stones and maybe highlight and just different little designs there. This, one of these was a Chico's. I don't know if it's this one. I don't see the maker here, but it's just a long link chain. It has this middle circle and then a hanging pin. It's almost like a wind chime. Let's see. This is BFF. Best friend forever. It's just a little thin chain with this little opalescent, almost looks like scale, like maybe mermaid scale, I'm not sure. Let's see. With this like white, almost opalescent kind of stones on a silver tone necklace. Oh. And then this like liquid silver. This one says LC Liz Claiborne. And it's just like a liquid silver type necklace. This is the Chico's. I like this. This piece isn't bad. I don't know how much they go for, but there's the Chico's tag, and it's this long, heavy silver tone chain, and then at the end it has this, it's very heavy, very substantial key. Just a cool key pendant, so I like this. That's probably, I would imagine I could get most of the money back on a couple of these pieces. This one I actually liked, even though it's probably not expensive. It's got these little seed beads with the part where the rest of the chain was hanging off, so it's only got this one little piece to clip to. I mean, it's still wearable, so maybe. If not, it'll go on a practical. Okay, almost done. Let's see. And this just like a gold chain, gold tone. Those are good for if you have any good pendants you just need a chain for. This is probably gonna go to Crafters a lot. It's just a very cheap, it looks dirty necklace. I have a few people in my family, and I myself am diabetic, and this is kind of neat. It just says non-insulin recurrent diabetic, so it's like a medical necklace and pendant. So I mean, that's definitely usable. I'll either give it away or use it. And then this heart-shaped clear pendant on a gold tone chain. So that's everything that's like semi-decent from the necklaces. We'll take a pause, put these up, and then we'll do the bracelets, and then I can quickly show you there's not too many earrings, and the rest is just junk. So be right back. Okay, this box is depressing me, so something cute, a little senior doggy moment. Hi, Lulus. What you doing? You watching Mama work? Yeah, you're my supervisor. Okay, just thought I'd throw in a little palette cleanser, 15 seconds, and we'll be back in a second. All right, and we're back. So I'm going to go over a couple of bracelets. Here's one that I actually really like, but let's see if you can see. So it's got this piece that was attached here, but it just comes off. So you can click it, put it back on, and it stays, but that's not really how it's supposed to be. But I just love this design. Pretty enamel with these little stones. And then when I opened it up, it actually, let's see, on the inside part, says right here, 925 Seagull. I guess the maker, but anyhow, yeah, that's unfortunate. So this is probably not going to work because this part just pops off, and you would have to, like, I don't know if you could solder it, but I mean, it's definitely salvageable. Really pretty, but for now, that will go in a crafter's slot. This silver tone thick bracelet just needs a good cleaning. A little tarnished. This wooden bracelet with flowers kind of etched in there. And this brown with golds and taupe colored beads and pieces decorating it. This is just this is going to go into crafter's lot. Red little whatever. Here's a tortoiseshell kind of stretch, and it's got an interesting kind of sticker in there. It says SOAL something. I'm not sure. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. No, that's upside down. That's Taos. TAOS company. So yeah, flip that up. And this amber colored, like, see-through bangle. Kind of cool. It's another little tortoise shell. Open bang cuff. This wooden style bracelet bangle. Probably lock these up unless one is worth something individually, but if not, probably do those together. Same with these. One is more gold copper tone. I don't know what you call these, but it's that braided, like, metal. And then this one is, like, all silver, like this one. And so there's a silver tone and then a gold and silver tone. Those are kind of cool. Got some stretch silver pearl type bracelets. Larger beads. Stretch. It's got like a filigree silver tone design all over it. These two bangles look like they're like a set. They each have like an aquatic. This one has like a starfish with a center stone, and this one has a, oh god, my brain just went blank. A seahorse hanging, and then it's just like a gold tone bracelet. But those are cute. Cute little nautical theme. These has like a gold tone, and then these different colored stones, little rhinestones. I think there was one that had a mark inside that I was, yeah. This has KF. I'm not sure what that is, so I'll look that up later. This little seed bead cuff. Another silver tone cuff, and it's got these, you know, those balls on the end, this metal, kind of neat. And then these are just like little cheapy stretchies, but they're good enough. I could probably lot these up. This might go with the wooden looking stuff. So with the wooden looking bead. And we've got, this one has like corals and gray silver tones. This one has some kind of design in these clear beads, red, black, and clear. This is kind of cute. It's got the cross. I have another one from the last box. I think it was silver tone. This one's got silver and gold tone, and the cross with the stones. And this is just a solid stretch square design. Got a couple of these are magnetic to each other. Black silver tone bangle, and then these have black stones and silver style. So that's it for the bracelets. And take a quick pause, then I'll come back and we'll just do the last few little pieces. This is the Thrifters, aka Junk Lot, and most of what's in the earrings pile is also that. I was separating them to see if there were any matches, but we'll go over that in a minute. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, we're back, and this is just going to take a minute. Show you the last of what I have that's possibly salvageable. So here is the final Thrifters lot, scrapping type stuff. I mean, there are some wearable pieces, but just things that I'm not interested in selling. So it's a lot. I would say more than half. And so this little set of glass pearl bracelets and earrings is on this little card. So that's okay. That's possibly sellable. Normally I wouldn't even keep these kind of earrings, but I know I have a bunch of other ones. So I think I'll just do like a big like teen lot of just cute little, you know, cheapy earrings. If they get lost, it doesn't matter. These have the rock theme. They've got guitar earrings, and then these just little curled swirls. And they retailed at $7. So with a bunch of other stuff, could make it possibly worth it. Here's I thought this was kind of neat. It's got like a Masonic symbol in the middle, and then these little stones around it, but it's just some kind of pin. There's all this mess from the box. God, I'm so glad I put plastic. It's annoying, and hopefully it doesn't sound too bad for you guys, but it saved my stuff. So, and these gloves, my hands would have been just disgusting. So here's a tie tack. It's got like, it's a 67. Looks like, I'm not sure if it's something to do with planes or what exactly, but yeah, there's that. This is so cute. I love this. It's a another tie tag, very heavy. It's like for Easter. It's got like a gold colored little chick inside this silver egg. That's adorable. Could wear it like just like a pin. It's really cute. And this I think is great. I love this. I sold a brass lion heads knocker for a good amount of money, maybe like $100 on eBay a couple years ago. And I just think they're so cool. So this looks just like a life-size one. It's a lion's head knocker tie. I guess it's tie tack. That's kind of cool. This is just a shiny brooch pin. Not anything spectacular, but it may go in the scrap pile, I'm not sure. And this little open circle ring with little stones. And this last piece, I'm going to do a Google image search, see if I can find anything. But if not, I'll probably just go into the scrap. It's some kind of pin with some logo. So that is it, guys. Sorry this wasn't a better video. Just didn't get great stuff. So hopefully, you know, if there's something maybe you found interesting, if you could give it a like, thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it. I'm going to try and continue to do these weekly, even if they're not the best, but I'm hoping. You just never know. You could just hit the jackpot and get some great stuff. I've gotten some great stuff in other boxes, so it's always a gamble. But until next time, be kind to each other, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.